Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add friends on Clash Royale. To get started, open the Clash Royale app on your device. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner, then select the Supercell ID option. A new window will open where you'll see a Friends section. Tap on it, and you'll find different ways to add new friends. You can share your personal invite link, scan a friend's QR code, or manually search for their player ID. There's also a quicker method available right from the home screen. Just tap the Friends icon at the top and choose the Invite option. From there, you can send an invitation using your preferred platform, such as social media or messaging apps. That's all it takes to connect with others and build your Clash Royale friend list. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming guides. Allah Hafiz.